for two cats, ladies and gentlemen. Now what differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds. And they do that for social communication. Well, the yellow-necked Amazon is very good at mimicry or copying. If you don't believe me, check this out. Hey buddy, before we start, would you like to have a nice handshake? That's pretty good. Business handshake, by the way. Okay, tell everyone here, what's your name? What's your name? That's his name, alright? Now, Bao is a Mandarin word. It means baby or precious. We're gonna try this again. What's your name? No, that's not his name. At least you know this is happening live, alright? Now, the sound he's making is the sound of anger. What is he angry about? Look at where he's looking, somewhere out there. Let me see now. Chanel, do you see any birds flying, eagles or pelicans? No? Something's up there that's making him a bit angry. Okay, he's like, are you calm? You calm now? Okay, he's more calm now. See, look at that. Okay, tell everyone here, what's your name? What's your name? Good, Pao. He's a superstar here, so he didn't want to share the stage with anyone else, alright? He must be here all on his own. Alright, now Pao, what's your first message? He's saying shh. He wants everyone to remain quiet so you can hear him. Now the first sound. It's the sound of the knocking the door. And when someone knocks on the door, we're gonna ask him what he's gonna ask. Okay? Okay, Pao, someone's knocking on the door. What do you ask? He's asking who it is. Well, I think I know who it is. It must be his very fierce neighbor, the dog. Pao, is it the dog? That's not the dog. I'll be honest with you, that's supposed to be the next one, okay? He's going on autopilot here. Okay, we're gonna try this again, Pao. Focus, alright? Now, make the sound of a dog. More like a puppy, right? Okay, you heard it just now. You know that sound? That's the sound of a telephone. Alright, so when the phone is ringing, you have to pick it up and say hello. Say hello. Hello. Say hello. Hello. How about a nice round of applause for Pao, ladies and gentlemen? I'm going to get him a little bit, okay? Because he's doing really fine. Alright, now he's going to make some human sounds. For example, if he is feeling sad, alright? He will cry. Pao? That last one wasn't crying again. Okay, try this again. Cry. Okay, very good. Now when he cries, what I will do is that I will cheer him up. Alright, by tickling him. Okay, I'm gonna tickle this, alright? Papa, I'm gonna tickle you, okay? Ready? Tickle. Oh, there you go. He's not happy again. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Papa is also learning how to sing, and he can sing at least a line of the birthday song. So by any chance, anybody here is celebrating your birthday today? People on this side, if it's a birthday, put your hand up. Anyone? Okay, someone's pointing. We have one? Where? Who? Whose birthday? The lady there? The lady, right? Where? Which one? Oh, the gentleman, too shy to put his hand up. Okay, happy birthday. Now, anyone here? Anyone's birthday? Where? Oh, we got one lady here in white. Happy birthday to you. Two from this side. Anybody else from here? I gotta scan the audience. Let me see. Got three. Third one, a boy. Another young child. 4, 5. Just 5? Alright, good. For the 5 of you, Pao will sing you a line. Ready, Pao? Let's sing. Awkward. Okay. Alright, good. No good. Okay, do this slowly. Alright, slowly.